Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. You are watching this video right now, but listen to me very carefully. You cannot become a fluent English speaker just by watching my video. If you really want to speak English fluently, then you must speak English. It doesn't matter if your English is correct or wrong in the beginning. The only thing is that can make you fluent is speaking again and again. By watching hundreds of videos will not make you fluent. Speaking will make you fluent. Okay, many students are confused. They think by watching videos every day will make them fluent in the English. My friends, no doubt videos can help us a lot. By watching videos you can learn new words, you can correct your pronunciation, and you can correct your a lot of mistake. But you should think about this, my friends. If you watch videos on internet all the time and all the day, but you never speak, you never practice, you never say even one sentence, then how will you become a fluent English speaker? It is impossible, guys, and this is the only reason many learners still cannot speak English after learning each and everything. They know everything about the grammar, they have very strong vocabulary, and they can understand everything in English, but when it's time to speak they become silent. Do you know why? What is the reason behind this, guys? Because they have some kind of fear inside their mind, and they are making mistake because of this fear, because they always think about other people, like what people will think about us. So when we will speak in English to someone, they think people will judge us, and they will focus on your grammar mistakes, and that's why they feel shy when they try to speak English with their friends, family members, relatives, or anyone around them. Instead of speaking, they always spend time watching videos on the YouTube. They keep searching on the Google how to speak English very fast, how to become fluent, how to improve English speaking, but they never try to speak even one time. My friends, if you really want to be a fluent speaker in English language, then from today start speaking. I'm telling you. And now I'm going to share with you one rule, so keep it in your mind forever. The rule is 80-20. 80-20 means 20% means watch English content on the internet, and 80% means practice of speaking. And trust me, guys, if you follow this rule, you will improve very fast day by day. Otherwise nothing will change, I'm telling you. Mark my words. Now let me give you an example. Just think about swimming. Can you learn swimming just by watching the videos? No, guys, never. You must go into the water. When you go into the water, then you will try to swim, and one day you will be able to swim in the ocean as well, and there will be no fear of biggest wave of ocean in your mind, because you know your swimming abilities, and you are confident, and you are ready to go into the water without any fear. So guys, the main problem is your fear when you talk to anyone in English. Otherwise you know everything, and that's why now you are watching my video. The reason you are still not confident, you don't even trust on yourself. You listen too much to other people. If someone says yes, you can do it, then you feel very happy. But if someone says you cannot speak English, then you stop trying to improve yourself at that time. Why? Because you truly believe on other people more than yourself. So guys, from today, stop caring too much about the others people. Focus on yourself. Whenever you have free time, practice on your speaking skill, and you just stand in front of the mirror and start talking to yourself. Look into your eyes and speak, and trust me, guys, slowly your confidence level will grow day by day. I have seen so many my friends in my life. When I ask them a simple question, are you confident speaking English? And guys, do you believe most of them say, I can understand English but I can't speak, I make grammar mistake, my pronunciation is not good. It means they don't trust on themselves, and because of this fear and zero level confidence, they lose so many opportunities. So friends, if you really want success, you need to take action from today and right now. You need to practice on your speaking skill every day. Make your mind used to with the English. Whenever you are free, you can pick any object around you and try to describe it in the English. For example, this is my phone. I use my phone every day. I watch video and I talk to my friends on it. Simple, don't worry too much about the grammar in the beginning. Okay, your grammar mistake will improve automatically, guys. It will improve automatically. But first, train your mouth, train your brain, and train your ears. When you listen, your ears are learning. When you watch, your eyes are learning. But when you speak, your brain and mouth are learning together, my friends. Only learning the grammar rules and memorizing the vocabulary will not make you fluent, guys. Trust me, I'm telling you seriously. Try to describe your daily routine, talk about your habits, talk about what you like and dislike, talk about everything you do every day. And if you can do this easily, it's mean your English is improving. If not, then you need more practice. Simple. Some people study English for 2 or 3 years but still they can't speak. Why? Because they are not consistent. And most importantly, they do not speak. They only watch videos on the YouTube, on Google. So guys, from today, promise yourself, I will speak English for at least 30 minutes every day. Read the books, write your thoughts, repeat the words, and practice on your speaking skills. Trust me, guys, you will be better. And speaking is one of the most important. And guys, remember this line forever in your mind. Fluent English comes from speaking. Fluent English does not comes from only watching the videos. So start today, speak every day, and record your videos. After 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months, you will see a big change. You will become more confident, friends. And slowly, English will become a part of your life. English will become a part of your life, guys. If you are still watching video, then please comment and like my video. If my video is helping you, and so then subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon as well. Thank you so much, guys, for giving me your precious time. See you soon in the next video, inshallah. Bye bye.